Good morning, all of you. Today I shall discuss about chapter 2 chemistry. Okay? Separation of mixture. This is a very important topic. We will consider the following three cases: mixture of two solids, mixture of solid and liquids, mixture of two liquids. Separation of mixture of two solids. All mixtures containing two solid substances can be separated by the following methods, which is suitable. First, by using suitable solvent. Second, by the process of sublimation. Third, by using of a magnet. Separation by suitable solvent. A mixture of sugar and sand can be separated by using water as a solvent. This is the example for separation of suitable solvent. Second, separation by sublimation. The changing of solid directly into vapors on heating and vapors into solid on cooling is called sublimation. The process of sublimation is used to separate those substances from a mixture which sublime on heating. Okay, the solid substance often cooling the vapor is known as sublimate. Most of the solid substances do not undergo sublimation. For example, common salt, sodium chloride, sand, iron, filling, sulfur, and chalk do not sublime on heating. The process, the other component of the mixture being non-volatile. Thus, ammonia chloride, iodine, camphor, naphthalene, anthracene can be separated from a mixture of sublimation. Separation by a magnet. If a mixture contains iron as one of the constituents, it can be separated by using a magnet. तो हम देख सकते हैं कि सब्लिमेशन, मैग्नेटिक प्रोसेस, इससे हम सेपरेट कर सकते हैं सुटेबल सॉल्वेंट के द्वारा हम कर सकते हैं. तो सब्लिमेट होगा उसका अगर जो नॉन वोलाटाइल है वो तो उसमें बैठा रह जाएगा, जबकि वोलाटाइल मटेरियल जो है वेपराइज हो जाएगा. उसको कूल करके सेपरेट कर देंगे. ओके, now separation of mixture of solid and a liquid. The following process are carried to it. First, by filtration, by crystallization, by centrifugation, by chromatography, and by evaporation by distillation. Separation by filtration. The filtration is used for separating insoluble substance from a liquid. The mixture of insoluble solid and liquid is poured into the filter paper. Filter paper cone fixed in a funnel by using a glass rod as a guide. तो हम इस तरह से उसको क्या करेंगे, सेपरेट कर लेंगे. जो फिल्टर पेपर के द्वारा जो फिल्ट्रेट में चला जाएगा और कुछ फिल्टर पेपर पर जम जाएगा। अब है separation by centrifugation. Centrifugation is a method for separating the suspended particles of a substance from a liquid in which the mixture is rotated at a high speed in centrifuge. We can separate the clay particles suspended in water very rapidly by the method of centrifugation. Third है separation by evaporation. Okay, evaporation is used to separate a solid substances that have dissolved in water. The use of the process of evaporation for separating a mixture is based on the fact that liquid vaporize easily, whereas solid do not vaporize easily. The process of evaporation is used on large scale to obtain common salt from a sea water. 4. Purification by crystallization. The process of cooling a hot concentrated solution of a substance to obtain crystal is called crystallization. This is done as follows. The impure solid substance is dissolved in the minimum amount of water to form a solution. Second, the solution is filtered to remove insoluble impurities. Third, the clear solution is heated gently on a water bath till a concentrated solution or saturated solution is obtained. We stop heating. 4. Allow the hot saturated solution to cool slowly. 5. Crystals of pure solid are formed. Impurities remain dissolved in solution. And 6. Separate the crystal of pure solid by filtration and dry. An example, we will describe the copper sulfate to obtain pure copper sulfate. Separation by chromatography. Chromatography is a technique of separating two or more dissolved solids which are present in the solution in very small quantity. This separation is based on the fact that though two or more substances are soluble in same solvent, but their solubility may be different. 6. The separation by distillation. In order to recover both salt as well as water from a salt water mixture salt solution, the process of distillation is used. Distillation is a process on heating a liquid to form vapor and then cooling the vapor to get back liquid. Means liquid heated and vapor gas cooling. Separation of mixture of two liquids. All the mixtures containing two liquids can be separated by one of the following two methods: by the process of fractional distillation and by using the separation of funnel. Those liquids which mix together in all proportion and form a single layer when but in container are called miscible liquid. A mixture of a miscible liquid is separated by the process of fractional distillation. Those liquids which do not mix with each other and form separate layer are called immiscible liquid. A mixture of immiscible liquid is separated by using an apparatus called separating funnel. Separation by fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is the process of separating two miscible liquids by distillation, the distillate being collected in fractional boiling at different temperature. The separation of two liquids by fractional distillation depends upon the difference in their boiling points. The fractional distillation is carried out by using fractional column. In most simple terms, the fractional columns can be regarded an arrangement for providing different temperature zone inside it. The highest temperature being at the bottom of the column and the lowest temperature near its top. Application of fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is used to separate the miscible liquids like alcohol water mixture and acetone water mixture in the laboratory. The fractional distillation is used to separate crude oil, petroleum into useful fractions such as kerosene, petrol, and diesel, etc. Third, the fractional distillation of liquid air is used to separate gases of the air. Separation by a separating funnel. A mixture of two immiscible liquids can be separated by using separating funnels. The separation of two miscible liquids by a separating funnel depends on the differences in their densities. A mixture of water and kerosene can be separated by using a separating funnel. A mixture of petrol and water can also be separated by using separating funnel. Two differences in the properties of oil and water which enable their separation by separating funnel. These are oil and water are immiscible liquids, and second, oil and water have different densities. A mixture of more than two immiscible liquids can be separated by using separating funnel. Thank you very much.